So this is my GitHub collaboration network project that I made for social network analysis subject in my college. It will be helping you in finding people that you can collaborate with in your next hackathon or recommended network. So basically on the similar interests and some other factors that we'll be talking about. Talking about the documentation, I haven't done any documentation specifically, but it's well documented code, so you can be reading that and it's good to go. To run this app locally, you have to be installing the requirements and then running it using UVCon. It's using Fast API for its backend. So these are the some images, that graphs, etc. that you can show to your teacher. Time complexity of web scraping is really high in this project, and I am not using GitHub API, which I should be using, but I'm using web scraping. I don't know, I just like to do web scraping, so that's why I just proceeded with this only. And so I have hosted this project, but it won't be working, and I will tell you why. So let's take some user who is having less number of follower and following, so that it will not take too much time, because web scraping complexity is really high here. So suppose there are 21 followers and 12 following, then it will be going inside those 21 followers and then follower and following of each of those followers, similarly for following, so it just becomes really high. So I've started this code finding important users of Nox codes. Let's talk about the server code till then. So as I told you, I'm using Fast API, so this is just build up code, like they are the templates, and I'm importing these functions that I have put it in utils. So I'm doing voiceover right now, so I also don't know what's going to happen next, so I will just proceeding as per the video. These are the endpoints that I've created. Documentation endpoint isn't completed. These are the requirement network X library that we will be using to build up graphs, and rest others are simply for web scraping and building the server. This is the index page, and this test.html, I think it's just for testing the documentation part. So coming to the util commit here, so commit here, what these for, let's see. Okay, so this commit here is for this, so it's suggesting repositories that you should be committing into. How it's happening, that we will be seeing from the documented code only, because I again don't remember what's happening right now. So starting with the degree centrality, so there are two things, one is degree centrality and other is prestige. So I started with prestige, but then I find out that prestige is not a good measure to find an important node in the network, because it was biased toward the person whose username we are using. Because if you see what prestige is basically all the nodes that will be coming to that user. If I remember correctly, it's in node actually. So if you know, then you know, and if you don't know, then you don't know. So I am using degree centrality here for that reason. This is simply that code only, that I am scraping those users and then creating a degree centrality graph. This is the web scraping code. I'm using depth 6. One page has 50 users on GitHub. So what I'm doing is, maximum I will be scraping 300 users. Suppose if a user is following Linus Torvalds, he will be having followers more than 30,000, I guess. So I don't want my scrapper to just fall into that scraping. So that's why I will be cutting it off after 300 followers, which is basically a normal user. So this is how I'm finding largest community. The concept is that if A is connected B, then is B connected to A. So okay, so largest community is find out using a maximum click. What a maximum click is, where each node is connected to each other node in its graph. So if this situation is happening, I am calling them a largest community. This is recommended working, so to do recommended working, I'm using concept of called minimum click. A minimum click is an open triangle. An open triangle is basically A is connected with B and B is connected with C, but C is not connected with A. So if we connect C with A, then it will be a recommendation, like you should be collaborating with that person. So that's how I'm doing it, using minimal click, which is an open triangle. Recommending repos, this is basically using bipartite graph, I guess. I have used two methods here, but the one method that I'm using finally is bipartite graph. So I'm having users one side and repositories one side, then I'm making their bipartite graph, and from that I am inducing like which users are similar by seeing the repositories they are working on. This is similar users. How am I finding this? So finding similar users index based on, it just went away. Okay, so I'm finding similar users based on the similar repos and I guess similar number of users that it's following. Okay, so is my code still running or what's happening right over here? I don't know. Okay, so I used wrong username. So let's go back, and the right username is Nirmit Jatana, not that Nox codes, which was username but not the GitHub username, however you may call it. So let's just see how it proceeds right now. I will be fast forwarding this part. So PRs welcomed for shifting code to using GitHub API, because that would be really fast. Also parallelize the code. Right now code is really shit because I write the complete code just the day before I had to be presenting, and I actually presented it well before anyone else, like without even PPT. I just presented it and got S grade. So it will work for you also, and some other people are also using the same project already, 2-3 friends, different classes. So this code, the problem with this code is, suppose if I'm finding important users, it can find next hackathon recommended network commit here similarity index simultaneously, because web scraping is what we need, and after that it's just our algorithm that we are using. So but the problem here is I haven't done that. I am making them run singularly. So important users for Nirmit Jatana is himself, incoming, and load balancer, then show bro Akshat. So these users are important users according to Nirmit Jatana network that we have just made, like this data structure whatever that has made. So if you click that, it will be taking you to that profile, and this is next hackathon that Nirmit Jatana should be going with. So like Nirmit can be going in next hackathon with these people. So talking about the problem, let's continue that only. So suppose I click next hackathon, then it will be doing web scraping. So once it has scraped data, it can just use that data to find all these other 4 functions also. But it's not happening this way. Instead it's doing it single. So I didn't modify any code because I just made scripts first of all and then wrapped them with APIs on the server. So if you want to improve it, you can improve it drastically. You can be just using this concept and improving it easily. So it will be taking time, and I will be fast forwarding it this part also. So I switched to weekend music, blinding lights. That's all I did in this last cut. Okay, so these are the next hackathon recommended by the data structure, whatever algorithm it is. So Nirmit can be forming these 2 teams with these people, and I think I'm using maximum click here, where every person knows each other person, so they can be easily communicate in their team. Like collaboration will be easy if they all know each other and worked on projects before. So that's what we did in next hackathon. So these are the recommended networking that is suggesting that in the network of Nirmit, these people should be networking with each other. So Nirmit should be networking with Parth, and Nirmit should be networking with Ravi. Smarter 23 Ananya should be networking with Mayank Kumar too, Mayank. And so Nirmit with Good Nehmat, Nirmit with Siddharth. So this way it's suggesting that these people should be recommended networking with these people because they are not following each other and there is an open triangle somewhere that's coming. So let's just verify this. If we are seeing that, yeah, so we can clearly see that in these followers we don't have Nirmit here, but in following we are having Nirmit on one side. So, and there is an open triangle that is forming here, and it can be from any user, it can be from me also, like I'm coming as B, where B is connected with A and C is also connected with A. So also I think in open triangle we are considering it to be bidirectional, like from A to B then B to A, not unidirectional. So I mean it's non-directional. Okay, so let's check the similarity index part here. So if we see similarity index, we find that Nirmit should be committing, okay, this is commit here, so Nirmit should be committing in these repositories, it's suggested. And let's see similarity index. So talking about this similarity index, it will be giving similarity index between the different users in Nirmit's network, like Nirmit is similar to this user, but I think there is some problem in this code because it's giving results very similar. I think I need to rewrite the code for similar index. So if anyone is willing to write that, then most welcome. So yeah, this is the similarity index that we are getting, and as we see, this is coming 0.1875 for everyone. It's not so that it's similar for everyone because we're cutting below results that are lesser than that, but I think there is some code rewrite that I need here, right over here. So that's it about this project.